You can access your MackinVIA account either through your school-wide login or by going through ClassLink and clicking on the MackinVIA logo. If you are going in through school-wide, you want to make sure you're in the My Library tab, and then you want to select My Books. You'll receive a pop-up asking you to go to the MackinVIA library, and you will hit Open. From there, you'll be brought to the MackinVIA page where you have the different resources that are available to you and your students. So right away, you will see in alphabetical order all the titles. You have the opportunity to do advanced searches. You could search by author, if there's a specific author you want, specific subjects or topics. You can filter by page number. So 389 is default. Maybe you want to lower that for your students. Then you can hit apply to update it. You can also filter by year of publication, what's available and what's not available. So if you only want to view things that are available and not already checked out. You can also filter by reading level using a different variety of different sources. You also have the option to filter based on which books have text-to-speech by going into the More over here. There's text-to-speech. You could filter by fiction and nonfiction, reading along, or multi-user. So multi-user means that more than one person can take out that book. So you can see more information about it by hitting More Info. It'll give you some additional details about the book. You can also hit Open Now. And Open Now will show you a preview of the book. You can click through it. If you decide it's a book you want to take out, you can use the checkout option here. You'll see that we know it's checked out because there's a green check mark in the corner of the book, and the checkout button has changed to return, and it gives you the amount of time left you have before the book is returned. So the book automatically does return. You don't have to worry about coming back in 13 days and manually returning it yourself. Once that time has expired, it will automatically pull the book from your backpack and return it to the list of available books. If at any point in time you want to return a book, you can always just come back to this main page, the main MackinVIA page. You can click on the backpack, and then you're going to click on Checkout. So this is all the books you currently have checked out, and if you want to return it sooner, you can just click the return. It'll automatically bring the book back, and you can always view the past checkouts that you've done by returning to past checkouts. It'll tell you when you checked it out, what the book was, when you returned it.